Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again. This week we are at Docklands Webb Bridge. Webb Bridge is 110 meters long, spans over the Yarra River in a really cool snaky webby kind of really structure, and it's really funky and really cool for any wide angle lenses. You can get really creative here with your long exposures of the city backdrop and also city reflections of the Yarra River and the boats. And so yeah, just come in, have a quick look around, bring a wide angle lens if you can, and you'll be able to get some really interesting images. Best time I believe would be around sort of sunset night as well, where the water is really still. Even early in the morning is really nice as well. Water would be fantastic for reflections around here, and it's definitely worthwhile coming through. So thanks for coming in again, and see you next week. Enjoy the time lapse.
Okay, so park the car around Harbour Esplanade and head towards the Webb Bridge. There's some photography locations on the way, as you saw, and also if you're walking down from the city on the Yarra River under the Long Bridge, and then you get to the location on Webb Bridge. Good luck.